Hey guys, it's Michelle and I'm just here super quickly to show you a quick way to tie a silk or a satin scarf. Now this is what I'm going to use. This is the Bell Chest Perfect Grip. It is a velvet type of headband. A lot of people wear these under wigs. You can obviously buy the Bell Chest, you can buy a non-branded. There are many on the market. I like this one because if you are like me, if you have a bit of a smaller head, this is actually nice sizing for those of us who have a bit of a smaller head. I've bought non-branded velvet wig bands before, and sometimes I find that they can just be ever so slightly big even on their tightest. This one is just nice and it doesn't have flappy bits. Anyway, so the reason I'm wearing this under a headscarf is just to give it a bit of grip. If you're wearing something that is satin or the likes, then you will often find that they can slide around on your head, and that's not really ideal. That's not what we're going for. So what I'm going to do, this is a big square one that I have, so you can just pop on as is. You can fold it into a rectangle, or you can triangularize it. This one I got very cheap, £4 from Primark in Scotland. I have numerous silk scarves, satin scarves, and I do like them. I just think they're really lovely, really pretty. So what I'm going to do with this, I have it now in a triangle, as you guys can see. What I'm going to do is at the back, sit it like so, in the back of my head. I'm going to bring it up to the front here. Now it's totally up to yourself what you want to do. I tend to not use hair elastics, hair bobbles, but a lot of people just find that easier. I tend to just, a very easy way to do this is to twirl it. Just give a wee twirly whirly. Wrap it round like so. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And then you just tuck. And then pull through here. And then I wrap it back under again and pull back through, and again. And I just do that. The more it's kind of wrapped under and pulled through, the more secure it is. It is not going to be sliding around on my head because I do have on this velvet to hold it be. So that's just one way to tie a satin headscarf. Voila!